And especially whenever we're talking about warm weather, ragweed this time of the year, it sticks around until we see our first freeze. That we're nowhere near that on the 14th day. And on average, we don't see that until November. So right now, ragweed at a moderate, mountain cedar at a moderate, elm at a moderate, fungus at a low. I'm expecting the ragweed to jump to the high category any day now because it generally does this time of the year. So if you have been suffering from allergies, ragweed is likely the culprit, and you're not alone. I've gotten a lot of questions on social media about what is in our air. And that's what's in our air. Dallas Baptist University right now, 68 degrees, clear sky overhead, not as chilly as yesterday or the day before. Now, this afternoon, temperatures will soar into the upper 80s. Yesterday, only 81. So it will be noticeably warmer today with a high of 88 in Dallas, 89 for Denton, McKinney, and in Fort Worth. Even a few 90s along our western counties, low 90s for areas in northwest North Texas. Now, tomorrow, even warmer, a high of 90 degrees. That's 1 degree shy of the record that was set in 1939 of 91. Upper 80s for Thursday, Friday. That's between 1 to 2 degrees of the record. Now this weekend, late week into the weekend, we have a cold front that arrives. I'm calling it a cool front because it helps drop our temperatures, but we're still going to be technically above normal from what we would expect this time of the year. So that front also bringing in dry air. So we're not looking at any rain potential through the weekend. That unfortunately does keep our fire danger elevated. So anything that could cause a spark could cause fire to spread quickly just because of the low humidity and the fact that it's breezy at times. But I do see change in our pattern. It's just going to hold off until we approach the end of the month. I'm taking you closer to Halloween here. We see a bigger dip in that jet stream, and that's generally what signals a cold front to move into the area. So I'm showing you this for next week. So this is next Wednesday. Here's your timestamp. Wednesday at 7 in the morning. It looks like we see a front coming in, and that front helps bring in rain to parts of Texas. And unfortunately, that could mean we see rain on Halloween. Make sure to keep checking back in with us because the timing for that could change. We need the rain, so it's good news. It's just, unfortunate that it does fall on maybe trick-or-treating. We are looking at highs then dropping into the 70s as a result of that rain. But until then, we're looking dry. We're looking warm. That rain, by the way, if you maybe see some plants that get washed out, stay sure you can watch, the Mavs take on Houston right here on WFAA.